Because I'm a different mind. So we really do have feelings for each other. Hey guys, what's poppin'? What's not stopping? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, as you know, say by the title and to the thumbnail, I'm gonna do a reaction video to my sister exposing me or whatever she said she did that do. But I watch a video yet because I wanna get my real reaction and everything like that. So but before I jump in the video guys, I want to know check out this this Facebook page guys. It's called The Wealth Maker. It's basically a way you can make money at home online by selling US dollar or buying US dollar stuff like that guys. This business is legitimate guys. I know that because I know people will do it and it's basically them job and they make money and stuff like that. So if you guys want to make money at home guys, you can just check out the link down in my description guys, and then stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that for me real quick, then come back and watch the video here. But anyways, so before I get in the video guys, I go eat because I'm gonna eat for morning. So kind of a mukbang reaction, anything I want to call it. But anyway, so the day my sister dropped the video, I wake up to it. I don't know, and I wake up to people all in my Instagram DM and tell me about oh my wicked have this have that, we should do that to Kim and all this. So me I wonder what am I talk about. So when I look, I see the title and the thumbnail, and I say what Kim I talk about. So I don't know. I don't know where she get that the story from. And I mean if I'll answer at the food. How the backside is? Nothing wrong, more protein for me.
You know. Let me trust everything you get fat.
So you wanna even come to me now the comment, yes, I can talk with food now more. That's why it's called a mukbang, so shut up. I'm gonna keep not talk with food now more. Anyway, I'm gonna do a reaction video to it to see what she really attack with, because at this point I just over this situation. I mean if me and your family, me and your sister, I used to something like that. Why make you know? Why make you never call me or text me? Why you have to put it out on the internet? So I guess I'm gonna get straight into it guys. I'm gonna screen record it. So I wanna see. As I say guys, smash the subscribe button. If you're new and you're watching me not subscribe it, smash the subscribe button right now. And stuff like that. So let's jump straight into the video. I'll turn it around. Because I need to know what she talk about. What's your talk about?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming and for tuning in. Please excuse the fact that I'm like all energy is from my body. This is honestly because of this video that I'm posting right now. You guys already see the title. I'm sure some of you are here because of the title, because you guys see it, and
why can one look so?
you may have had a hint all along. See the title of the video.
Hold on, I'm pausing. Why she look at people she want for sorry for her? What me do you? What me do you? No sir. I said it's there.
Of course, I'm gonna let you guys know what's up. So
Yeah, and it's not this.
if you're here and you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit.
Hold on. Where you say what I got to do?
You didn't eat and step out?
Oh, I don't know why I think my ear is something else. I must try to put it up on the fridge top. You dirty folder, man.
You're gonna see videos that are already uploaded that you're going to love, enjoy, have a good laugh. So of course hit that subscribe button.
Come man, get to the point, man. I know that I'm coming after. We need to hear where you talk.
Since we're all sharing our feelings together, so tell me, make sure. So of course, without further ado, let's just jump into it.
I don't want to get copyrighted for the part that I'm just going to mute you. Mute it for your intro because. Go on!
Basically, the first thing I want to say is I don't even know how I never see it, but
You never see what?
pranks weren't pranks, and it was all real. I just didn't know, and I'm not even gonna say me don't know how me never know it real because I don't think that anybody is supposed to suspect them sister and their boyfriend like the two.
What are you talking about, bro?
Just don't go together. So me being disappointed is like the least.
Yeah, disappointed for be appointed. So nothing not go so.
But in any case, so what happened was yesterday yesterday I got a message from Jeffrey. Now usually in the morning whenever Jeffrey message me, he'll say good morning babe, you know the whole enchilada, the whole 9 yards, you know how it goes. But instead the message that came in said Sean. Now if you guys watch my first video and welcome to my channel, you guys know that I'm the only person who calls Shawna Sean. Her name is Shawna.
True.
Shawna King. I call her Sean because my mother doesn't have any sons. And when we were growing up, she was like the tomboy of the pack. It's funny how the tomboys know the hot girl of the pack, but in any case, you're not there. I call her Sean. Jeffrey doesn't call her Sean. He calls her Shawna. Matter of fact, nobody else calls her Sean except nobody else in the family calls her Sean. It's just me. Everybody else is Shawna or
True.
whatever nickname they give her. So I'm gonna say Sean
Or Shizzle.
to my phone. I was like, okay, that's kind of strange. No, before I could even respond to the message on WhatsApp, he starts calling me.
Jeffrey, I think born me.
When I tell you that, when I see the Sean come in, I was thinking, this is kind of shit. I'm not lie you. When he gave me that explanation, it's not to say me one of them girls that will buy into everything. But think about it. Think about it. It's plausible. It makes sense. It's reasonable. Of course, you could have.
Because I think born me. What are you talking about, bro?
Me, a message, a certain person.
So we really do have feelings for each other.
Screenshot something, send to
That's
somebody
that.
else. I end up sending it to somebody when me and talk about by mistake. You understand? So when he must say he meant to message Shawna, I message
Yeah.
to me because he might think about me.
Because I'm on his mind. That's why, like, come on, man. You tell the only reason why I'm on him because I'm on Jeffrey's mind. So we really do have feelings for each other.
It's still kind of a little touchy on why you call her Sean, which is like affectionate.
Because I'm in Sean. I'm in Sean. That's why I call me Sean. I'm in Sean.
Let me just leave it alone.
I'm in Sean.
Leave it alone. I'm asking for alright.
Are you somebody, Sean?
Talk for a couple of minutes and that was the end of the conversation.
I feel Anthony it.
How things got worse is I have the password for Sean's phone. I've
True.
always had the password for Sean's phone. Sean had the
Yeah, fair password too.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So I lie down now and I say, you know what, maybe get some sleep and we drop asleep. Only for no say, after me drop asleep now, I'm in the day, my ear, like, a phone, a buzz. To be honest, that's not really anything I
Let's see people start see where fast and business.
She's a YouTuber. She has a whole lot of subscribers now. She is a public figure. You have to say that she's a public figure now. She gets a lot of messages even from Instagram. She gets promotional emails. She has a whole lot of things coming in. So I hear the messages just coming in one behind the other. It wasn't really anything alarming. What was a little bit odd was there were messages coming in that had some messages have different tones. So there was like this ping, 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 and then one next tone. And like all of them are coming at once. So
The way you study me two on them.
was basically drop your phone and open the message, right? I open the message. No, lo and behold, like I said, emails are coming in and all of that. But basically there was this long chain of message with she and Jeffrey. And of
a while. Man, if you all even text, so. Like I said, long chain of message. What you talking? What are you talking about?
With a girlfriend number, and sometimes we will have small conversations here and there. So, I used to have a number for Jeffrey's nephew, and from time to time we used to have small conversations here and there. So it was okay. But let me tell you, the contents of the conversation, they just feel like myself.
No, we don't want to for stand up and talk. Stand up and talk.
So, you're not even gonna say me right, but I can't stand up no longer.
They have to lie.
The conversation was really what kind of got to me because it's like them a message like me and him. So I start reading all of the messages and also it's a cute name. I get called on the message over PMs and one baby. Anyway.
Kim, I say it's there. I mean, shut up. I'm not saying that Shawna. I can't mean I talk about.
That's a one and all them things there. And of course, me I get upset. Me I get
Who are we get upset
One
by?
of the funny things about me is I am not generally the kind of person whose first response is anger. To be honest with you, I'm not. It depends on what the thing is. If I something where really I go get to me like something like this, me get really, really quiet. Like unbelievably quiet and the most devious thoughts. Anyway. So what really got my attention is the message was when they were talking about their first time. Yeah.
What?
So
Hold on. First time doing what? Where you talk about? First time doing what? Meeting him? And most that.
basically it's like
Hold on. Let's pause that eating and food. First time doing what, bro? First time doing what?
also want
First time doing what? Oh, you can't tell we. If you top tell lie.
yeah guys, so basically it's like
Get to the point now?
let me meet up. No, me I get upset. One of the craziest thing is these two hardly get along in
Exactly. So what are you talking about?
hardly get along. Like for
I don't
some
even
reason,
text
Shawna
her.
always feel like Jeffrey take up all of my attention. You understand what I say? And then
Unless we are talking about something
that was all just a facade. That was all just
like
kind of
something
show
relating to Kim.
And then
I'm just a check for me, I'm just a check for him. Where's that one?
When these pranks come in, I did something real and it's just disrespectful. But anyway, so guys, yeah.
No, I make you make me not you can't get big, you know.
They met up. I think it was a month ago. Shouldn't they here?
I see your skill. The blouse girl. No stuff.
So I can't squeeze and go back in our phone. But yeah, I think
That's something big when I look in there.
I'm sorry, they met up some time ago. I think that it was a because based on the timeline,
Martin not gonna wear much less.
conversation and where they both were to me a month ago, it made sense that it's actually happened. This whole being together thing started a month ago or whatever. So anyway, it's like they went out together evening. They met up at a certain place. I'm not even going to say the location because this is somewhere
Because no go so bro.
I have gone to. So anyway, so I go through the messages and them I discuss what they liked, how the evening went. Basically, them meet up. Of course, them had a few drinks and them I talk about
even drink.
They get drunk first and all them. So
Me not even drink like. Hold on. First of all, I never yet get drunk because I don't drink to drunk. I'm not even drink to that. If me I drink, me we drink on one malt or on one ice. I want 2 ice. I don't drink, so what are you talking about, bro? Come, you have to come better than that. You have to come better. At least I'm just take it for one big joke. Literally.
you're like, I'm not confront her yet, so this is going to be the confrontation. So I'm talk about who drink what, who
You're
got
funny.
wasted first, who touched who first, who first
Ah!
comfortable. So anyway, I'm not talking about how the, I'm gonna call it lip locking was.
Lip locking? I don't lip lock, bro. You understand? My teeth big. Don't stay from lip lock. Moreover, I did have on braces, so we can't lip lock with braces. Okay? Now me take it down. Now me I go lip lock Jeffrey. Since you want to talk about lip lock, now I'm finna lip lock Jeffrey. Now me I go get one video for make. I'm finna lip lock Jeffrey. Or kiss Jeffrey. Yeah. I go kiss him.
And surprisingly, you know, him first initiate.
Cause him like it. At this point, we just a laugh off of your kid. They sound funny.
And she liked him according to the message. So take off,
Oh shit!
make her rub up, body and touch up and all sorts of something.
Can I say it? It's their friend?
And perhaps as they were about to begin the act, wake up out of his sleep. Yeah, guys, I woke up. I woke the hell up. No, you can imagine.
But your wicked so hey. I'm pause that video. I'm telling you something. You see, Lodge, you see if you're in one bush, I take a number 2 and see Kim come sit down in it. Now make sure you know say that on the day because the whole world are gonna know. I whenever I go so she go add peace to it. You can't just imagine if Lord Jesus. You can just imagine if this ain't a dream, the amount of backlash would I receive. Because down in the comments, most people already have it for say, yo, this ain't a prank because me I make too much prank about Jeffrey and all them something, which it is a prank. Jeffrey and brother-in-law, I never ever go do them something. Moreover, I love my sister too much to do that. So, I just think it's funny if you mess with her and mess with him because he not even know about them. So, I just think it's funny if you mess with both of them and stuff like that. But, keep me too wicked. I say you did stay, friend. God no never know say I say you did stay. Never know say I say it. Cause I have amount of people in my DM, bro. The amount of people in my DM ask me, Shawna, this Shawna. I'm like, I'm not even gonna watch the video yet, cause at this point, I just need time for this. But I just need some time, so I'm not even gonna watch the video yet. But as you can see, it was all a lie, like all a prank. Cause most pranks should I try prank. It was. I'm finished what you should say.
We got a married, and we never had nothing else turned in. There was nothing else in the get up now, ain't there?
You want to get up now? Okay, that's the life. Stalo!
There was nothing else in
You want this?
that I could have dreamt about except this horrible. Horrible thing. So you know who sent that shock about? Because we never ever went back to my bed. Because of all of the things that I could have gone to my bed and dreamt about. This is what
Before my finger from look good in every day though.
So, if there's anybody who wants to DM me on Instagram,
Alright, at this point, Kim, but that's like stay far from you. You and your man. Like legit far from both of them. Because you see you will put me in a problem. As you can see guys, you can't stop asking me now. It was never real, it was not real, it was just a prank, okay? I guess she did just a try prank me. But you should have never ever run them serious joke. Do you know why? I got hurt to look at art when I come back here yard watching. I make sure I tell her from them I got hurt to look at art. So go and laugh now and floss and end us. I'm go and laugh. But anyways guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Leave a positive comment down there. Follow me on my Instagram, link's gonna be down there. And turn on your post notifications every time I post a video, you could be the first to get notified. So yeah. And don't tell me if you don't like that because when in one of my video, the woman that talk say, say down there and stuff like that, and then somebody will do a reaction video to one of my video, and then them just start say down there. So I guess they like when I say down there. So As of now, that's gonna be part of my slang and my logo. So anybody not here with it, and me them get it from, okay? So please don't teach my style down there. So peace out, guys. Peace out. Peace out. Anyways, later, y'all.